Guten Tag, mein Kinder, and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff. And today we are going to make a coffin, because some people needs to disappear. So we're starting here by two foam boards, big here lying upside down, and now I'm going to draw out, you know, the length and also the angle here of trying to use as much of this as I possibly can. But you see there are angles, so it kind of look like what you expect a coffin to look. So I now also have made a little bit of a sandwich thing here going on, so I can overlap them and glue them together so they will hold up. This will be a coffin for, you know, carrying upstairs easy. So now we have some thicker foam here that I'm gonna glue, and also I'm making the sides here. You see they are just like 15 centimeters or something like that. And here we go, the whole thing is coming together here with also a little bit of a lid they also made there, and that's gonna be glued together at one piece. So here we have the painted thing here, and we're just gonna put on a little bit of a cross here so it sails that is a coffin. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very short little video, and here's some comedy.